Parts of brain. Human brain has 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain is anterior, 2/3 part of brain. It is main thinking part of brain. It has 3 parts. Olfactory lobe are 1 pair, small-sized, club-shaped. Cerebrum is the largest part of brain and forms about 80% of weight of brain. It has 1 pair of cerebral hemisphere. Each has 4 lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. Diencephalon is made of thalamus and hypothalamus. Midbrain is formed of 2 parts: optic lobes, cerebral peduncles. Hindbrain also has 3 parts: cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata. Functions of different parts of human brain are as given in this table.